be faithful, God, from the ages past. That is why your name is forevermore. You be faithful, God, from the ages past. That is why your name is forevermore. All right. I want you to play this song, okay? I think it will start helping you to know how to progress on the song and how to fill in songs, okay? So, like you can hear, I'm playing the song, You Be Faithful, God, You Alone Are Worthy, you know the song. So, the song is, I'm playing the key of F, okay? So, the first chord is Va to Sol. You from the ages past, you play me. You know your Mi chord now. You buy to your T, to your Mi, then you strum O. You strum O. Okay? You now strum O. La from your Mi to your La. Okay? From your La, 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 Mi, La, Mi, La, do, 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 La, Mi, La, do, do. Okay? That is why your Va is forevermore. Okay? When you start, you be faithful, Va, from the ages past. You play your Mi. La, that is why your name is forevermore. Okay? So work on that, and when you don't understand, you let me know. Okay?